Hello everyone. Recently, I have been studying a particular plugin and working with particles in After Effects, and decided to write a couple of tutorials for those who are interested. Today we are going to create such an infinity figure. Let's create a new project. We create a new composition. The standard dimensions are 1920 by 1080. Add a new solid. I decided not to rename it. The next step is to add light. Call it motion path. This name is required. Now we create a mask that will be the path of the particles. We will speed up this process of creation and customization by 6 times. Copy the mask to position motion path. You can use hotkeys, but we will use menu edit. Light will now follow this path. Open composition settings and change video length to 8 seconds. Now while holding the Alt key, drag the key position for 7 seconds, thereby reducing the speed. Let's roll it up. Select our layers, rearrange the slider to the end of the composition and press Alt plus square bracket. Now they are also 8 seconds long. Here's our light moving along our path. On the solid, add the particular effect. So, there was a stream of particles. Well, let's fix it a little. Delete keys. Paste. Stretch. Good for me. Well, hiding solid for now. Let's move on to the particular settings. Let's set up the particles in our path. So, as long as they stay put. Let's compare the initial points of particles and light. Behold! Let's change the lifetime of the particles. No. Let's put 10 for now. Let's remove the velocity to 0. See, they line up. Good for me. Let's change the particle shape to sphere. Now let's play with the emitter size. Slows down. Let's wait a little bit. Seems not bad. Now to velocity. Well, something like this. Good. Now let's move on to the AUX settings. I use only AUX particles. Switch to continuously. We remove size by 0. Now let's turn our balls into beautiful lines. To do this, let's change the particles in SEC to say up to 400. Behold. There are a lot of them. Let's cut it down now. I like it. Yeah. Set the full opacity. Now color. Here we leave it unchanged. Nothing changed. Because I didn't change the color for main. Now let's set up the colors. Here I will also speed up the process. Very good for me. So, now let's work on how the lines will look. Size over life. Here you can generate randomly or draw by hand. But I will choose from presets. I'll probably leave it like that. Beauty. Let's increase the gravity a little. Cool. Let's add some lines. Let's try to change this. So, and this. Well, it seems good. Something is missing here. I want to somehow improve. Let's add some curvature to the lines. Scary. Like this? No. So. Good for me. Looks great. Here you can still play around with a bunch of parameters, but for this video it's enough. Next time. I hope you learned something new about the Particular plugin. If you liked the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Good luck!